Hey everybody, Greg Rice here at Nexus's headquarters in Pawtucket, Rhode Island, and I want to talk about something called the power of yes and the power of no. Okay, it's something that I've learned along the way here, specifically from our CEO, Nick Dagnillo. When I first started here, I didn't really know the difference between the two. I was a maybe kind of guy. So clients would ask me questions and, oh, yeah, I think I could do that for you. Or, yeah, I'll make an exception. Or, we'll see about that. Like I was a people pleaser, if you will. But what happened was that ran me to the ground because I was pleasing every person with their requests. Can you do it this way? Can you do it that way? Can you show it on this day? And it was just after a while, I need my own policy. I need my own structure. Take it or leave it. So that's what I'm here to talk about today. The power of yes, the power of no. No is a complete sentence, and so is yes. But you can't be all one or all the other. You need to toe the line. So there's certain things in this business, absolutely, yes, we can do that for you. And then also, no, we are not doing that. We do not show properties for real estate agents. We do not advertise occupied apartments for rent. Okay, we do not do capital improvements while tenants are living in the property. Yes, we handle evictions. Yes, we deal with lawsuits. Yes, we handle turnovers. Okay, we have a list. There's virtually nothing that falls in between. So whatever your business is, you need to make a list of the things you do and the things you don't do. There shouldn't be anything that's in both. If there is, it's going to throw a cog in your wheel. There's going to be somebody that trips you up on that. They're going to get you out of your comfort zone. They're going to have the leverage over you, over the relationship, and you're going to be their puppet forever, so long as you're in business with them. So, really, simple. Write down a list of the yes, write down a list of the no's. And if you're wondering where it belongs, you really need to think about it. Think about what's going to leverage your time. What's going to make you the most efficient business person? What's going to be the best for your customers? And drive your pricing competitively down so you can service more people. What's going to help you scale? What's going to be teachable? What's going to be used broadly? Anybody can come into your business, pick up the booklet on how to do it, and take it from there. There's no special treatment or training or, you got to know this because of that, and don't do it this way, do it this way because my cousin tried it that, and it's like ball of wax. It's got to be black and white. And I really thank Nick Dagnillo, again, for teaching me that early and often. So now people say, oh, Greg, you're too rigid. Oh, Greg, you're not malleable. You don't flex. Sorry, I don't. But at least I'm honest about that, and we are honest about what we can do for you and what we cannot do for you. The problem you should find is that if you're finding somebody that's making a special deal or special arrangement, whether it's on price or services provided, are they also doing that to the next person? Probably. I respect and I appreciate when somebody tells me, no, I can't do that. Yes, I can do this. And here's my price. It's clearly posted on my website. It eliminates all that hassle, all the haggling, all the BS nonsense. Just be straightforward, to the point. People will respect you, and you're also going to attract the ideal clients. Because there's nothing worse than getting a couple clients that suck up all your time. And trust me, we've all been there. So think about that. Be black, be white, be fair, be firm, and you will be successful. Once again, Greg Rice here, in a very unsuccessful looking background, to be successful in the near future. Here at Nexus's headquarters, your property managed.